subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, and welcome back to my channel. I still remain Dad Sax. And this week I'm going to teach you 2 techniques that can make you sound like a pro. Yes, 2 techniques that will make you sound like a pro. Now, if you've not subscribed to this channel, just make sure you press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime a tutorial drops here in this channel. And of course, for your one-on-one intensive saxophone training course program, you can send a DM to the number right on the screen. Just like I said, I'm going to teach you 2 techniques that will make you sound like a pro. Very simple. Have you ever wondered how somebody will play? And on your own, you carry your sax and you'll be playing. Or you think it will sound like. No. Now, here is the secret. If I have a note that happens to be doubled in a song or in any certain piece, this is what I'm going to do. I will slot the first note and tongue the other one. Are you understand what I'm saying? If I have a note that happens to be doubled in a song, I will slot the first one and tongue the other one. For instance, I'll be playing on the key of C now. If it happens that I have saw twice in a song, like I have saw, for instance, so this is what I'm going to do. All I will do first is to slot the first saw and tongue the other saw. So I will have it like. Similarly, if I have la twice in a song, I will slow Z to la first, then I will tongue the other la. So I will have it as. Then if I have T twice in a song, then this is what I'm going to do. I will slow to my T first, then I will tongue the other T. Do you understand? Now, straight to action, I'm going to take a song now and I'm going to apply this. Holy, holy, holy Lord God Almighty, early in the morning my song shall rise to thee. Right? Now, and this is the tonic so far. Do, do, mi, so, la, la, so, mi, so, do, ti, so, re, so, la, so. Right? Do, mi, so, la, so, mi, do, so, la, mi, fa, re, do. You see, on this particular song now, you have double notes, right? Now, and because of that, I am going to make sure I slot the first one and I will tongue the next note, right? Now, this is how it's going to be sounding. I'm going to take this song. You are Yahweh, you are Yahweh, you are Yahweh, Alpha, Omega, you are Yahweh, Alpha, Omega. A song by Steve Crown. And if you don't know the tonic sofa, this is how the tonic sofa goes. So, do, ti, do, la, fa, so. So, do, ti, do, la, fa, so. Mi, sorry, mi, do, la, do, fa, mi. Mi, sorry, mi, do, la, mi, re, do. Do you understand? So that is the tonic sofa. Now, on this song now, I have so, right? So, do, ti, do, la, again. Fa, so, right? Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'll be playing. Can you hear that? It's as simple as that. I was doing fi so, do ti, la ti do, la la fa so. Do you understand? The stress now is coming at the point where I'm tonguing. You get that? Another part. You get that? Remember, the series goes like right? And if I want to decide now, beside right? That's one of the ways you can actually sound like a pro. Is that okay? Alright, if you like this tutorial, I'd like you to make sure you give this video a thumb up and make a comment. Right? See you in our next tutorial class.